Go. Go.
Hold on. I'm not gonna be able to make that shit. Huh?
Yeah, you will. Just turn around. Get in. Turn around and get in the window.
I want to see this. Can I just not come up here?
No, just
front door?
no. Turn around and go in the window.
People are gonna think that we're robbing the place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you're good.
I did not remember how tall this was.
Jump.
That boy should not be there.
Exactly why it's that board there.
Because my window doesn't close the whole way and it keeps all the trash. Go back in. I don't want to climb in. I can't get over my bed.
Kayla, if you'll turn around, and I love how the door's open. The longer that you sit here and wait, the more bugs get into your room. And the more likely it is that Slenderman's going to get in. Okay. What is this? Do you need a boost? Do you need...
Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Can you boost? No, not gonna happen.
Better? I like that. Shit, just got all over. Okay. Don't poke your head into the window.
Oh, fuck. I'm trying so hard not to fall. This hurts.
I get a lot. I understand. No, really.
Remind me never to put my bed here ever fucking again. Okay?
No
I
problem.
get locked out of my own fucking house.
No problem. I love you. Can you actually get inside?
I don't know.
Get in. Try to stand up.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
Oh, I like how that cop's coming by right now. I'm just kidding. Okay. God, they're gonna call the cops and be like, who should have posted in? Is she in there?
Mama.
Is she even in there?
No. Yes, she is. Okay, turn off your light.